ये एआई नहीं है, या इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला। इससे यही होने वाला है कि लोगों की नौकरियां जाएगी क्योंकि इन सीईओज को अपनी पॉकेट भरनी है। दैट इज द स्कैम। देयर इज नथिंग एल्स टू रिलाई ऑन एक्सेप्ट प्योर ब्लाइंड लक, एंड दैट इज व्हाई गैम्बलिंग इज इंक्रीजिंग।
I am learning how to. I don't know how to.
Why do I keep learning new things about you like this, Medusa?
Art is power. It is so incredibly powerful that when someone gets rejected by art, they become Hitler.
Because you can't say shit like this and not make me think. I am a conspiracy theorist in my heart. I believe in conspiracy. What the hell?
Someone is like, I thought you three had a beef. That's why you never do videos together.
No, let's continue.
Hello and welcome to Descent की दुकान. After so long, we have returned with Descent की दुकान. This is season 2 because season 1 के बीच में बहुत टाइम हो गया. So like now it's season 2. Yes, season 2 is back. I have deleted Twitter from my phone and I have never been thankful so much. I installed Substack on my phone and I have also been thankful for that because I'm reading so many things now.
Patreon का CEO was saying on Patreon today कि he quit Twitter and he has never been happier and he is wanting to quit other things.
Yeah. I think मैं थोड़ा सा Instagram भी बंद करने वाला हूँ अभी.
ट्विटर का पता है क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ? ट्विटर मतलब I absolutely get where you guys are coming from because the literal icon on my screen, I am avoiding looking at it because it is so scary. Because I don't know when I click it, I don't know what kind of information I will get. I don't know what kind of notification give me what kind of gali I will get. So I am actually like the
PTSD हुआ तुझे ट्विटर के आइकॉन से?
मैं literally वही मैं सोच रहा था कल because it appears on the second screen when you like जब मैं वो करता हूँ ना जैसे like this is my first screen and this is my second screen. So every time I'm like on my this screen I'm like because I don't want to look at the screen also. So मतलब कि कहीं
It happened to me also at some point. First it happened with Facebook before I quit. Facebook का जो blue interface ऊपर बार नीचे white text, that font size, that blue, it all started to trigger me. तो मैंने Facebook छोड़ा. And then came a time जब Instagram started doing the same. And I was like मैं एक एक करके drugs को छोड़ने की जगह drugs खाना ना खाने वाला इंसान बन जाता हूँ.
I was just telling Vimo a funny story about Medusa. So when I went to her house, abhi Lucknow mein, when she did her cool bike shot, and then I fell asleep at 9:30, and then they recorded a podcast after that without me, and I have no idea what is in it. And Satvik refuses to tell me what they recorded, and they both were laughing like crazy next day. बहुत चूते आपके. I don't know what they did. Anyway,
it was so much fun. So Satvik is completely he is like complete BC mode. Okay, so वो ऐसे कुछ बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग यार, and then suddenly we are saying something, and he's asking me question कि creativity कैसे वो करता है, and then like let's just go to Meghna for his point of view, and he just puts the mic near Meghna and Meghna.
You recorded me snoring for a part. What the hell?
And I'm like, yeah, very insightful, excellent. Actually, I was exactly thinking the exact same thing. That's brilliant, actually.
Was this on video or just audio?
The car podcast.
It is on video. Like
oh yeah, he recorded a video of this.
Yeah,
oh no! Oh no!
We spent so
Sorry,
much time.
This was supposed to be a funny story about Medusa.
We spent so much time initially making sure that you are in the shot. And then after like 10 minutes, Satvik is like, I think it's time to retire the Meghna joke because he's sleeping and we are constantly going to him for input. But then I'm like, no, let's continue.
Funny story about Medusa is that next day we had to leave early to get to Delhi. Medusa woke up ungodly hour mein, which is 6:30, and then came outside to her own garden, sat there and was like, I haven't seen my garden like this in years. This light is different. Oh wait, there are birds here now. Oh wait, I forgot there was a woodpecker here. Oh look, wahan pe ghosla bhi hai. Oh, squirrels are dancing. I'm like, yes, that's what happens in the morning, Medusa. Kabhi baitha kar bahar. It was so funny. She was just staring for like half an hour. It's like, oh, this is magical. And then she never did it again.
No, but it's true actually.
This time, Medusa, you are the most informed person on this podcast because I have not been keeping up as much as...
probably not most informed because all my information has come from memes.
That's fine.
Not even like genuine reports by journalists or people. No, it's all meme material. All I have seen, everything is meme only. And there is
Before we proceed, there's a so Meghnad has a Substack. I have a Substack. You're not on Substack,
me no.
so get on Substack and follow an account called How to Do Things with Memes. It's
Oh.
basically cultural commentary. It's extremely high level social anthropology stuff, but it focuses on memes and online culture. You'll love it.
Okay. Oh, since we are talking about it, I have also followed these two wonderful people on Instagram. One of them talks about pop culture, and the other one, both of them talk about, no, one of them specifically talks about pop culture, and the other one talks about एक second, रुक जा. Let me. So she's called the Doctor of Pop Culture. Prerna
Okay.
Subramaniam, Doctor of Pop Culture. Oh my God. Yeah, nuanced takes and the readings. Every single of our videos comes with a reading list or suggested readings, and she mentions all of them in captions. और वो कभी-कभी मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि किताबें ही दे रही है पूरा, but sometimes like short readings with that you can use to understand the subject better. And
What's
then
it
she
called?
uses a Doctor of Pop Culture.
Doctor of Pop Culture.
Pop
Okay,
culture.
four words.
Yeah, she's on Instagram. Doctor of Pop
Oh,
Culture.
मैं
and,
YouTube पे ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
YouTube पे भी है. Look, wait a second. YouTube पे her
Doctor
video
of Pop
is
Culture. No.
YouTube पे. Wait, she has two videos up on YouTube. Okay, so on YouTube they do it together. It's ADHD couple reviews.
Oh, I know that
Oh
channel.
yeah, that I know.
I know channel.
Them I know. Yeah.
Oh, they're so good. I have
Yeah,
just
yeah, yeah.
discovered them on Instagram, and because the content of format, the short format वाले content में, and I too fell in love because of the mentions of the readings. क्योंकि उससे मेरे को sometimes it is because I think we have talked about this, the amount of information that we are getting in that very short span of time ना 15 सेकंड में आप मर्डर भी देख रहे हो, जेनोसाइड भी
Yeah.
देख रहे हो, कॉमेडी भी देख रहे हो, so dysregulation हो जाता है. तो sometimes the brain just switches off, and I'm hearing what she is saying, but nothing is going inside. So at that point of time, I just like to look at the caption, and if there are readings mentioned, and I can switch everything off and read whatever the reading that she has mentioned. अगर वो मिल जा रहा है मुझको, तो उसको पढ़ के मुझको थोड़ा सा मतलब खुद को प्रोसेसिंग के लिए टाइम मिल जाता है. So that's the reason why I love her work so much. Her partner, Rambutan, he's also.
My short form consumption is also very low now, so I am not even like doing that. But okay, awareness level wise, my awareness with West Bengal elections is basically I read the newspaper sometimes in the morning. वो एक है. And the second thing is, the best thing about being on the ground and reporting and doing what I did was that I got the news from everybody else. And then I realized कि oh, that is what is happening. This is important. That is important. So मेरा जो news source है वो genuinely, like I heard like a lot of people on chai stalls and whatever, they were talking about certain news, and then I looked some things up. Biggest thing that I heard during the elections. Now I should sort of tell people West Bengal में there are two states. Actually three a bit, but two more, because above Malda, above Bagdogra, there is a different country only. Like basically till Sikkim, it's a whole different region. The problems change, the language changes, everything. It is not traditionally, there is a demand for a separate state called Gorkha land there, right? And then below that, there is a Kamatipura state demand also, which is the Rajbanshi language. So again, वो दो languages है वहाँ पे. And also Kuch Bihar is another different whole thing. So I was in that region. So you should realize what all I heard. First thing is, guys, WTF कितना CRPF boss? I didn't.
No, वो तो सुना. हाँ,
It
बहुत
felt
serious
like
वाली
a war zone. Like, so we actually have footage of it, which we will show in our wonderful show that will come whenever. We were in Kurseong, right? And we were covering this independent candidates and their rally. There was a giant flag march that just started in front of us while these people were like celebrating their candidate, and they just like came in like a wall, okay, like with like shields and shit, like pura CRPF ka flag march shuru ho gaya. And I was like, wait, why? What is happening here? Like, I mean, what is this? This is the first time I was seeing that. Like, I mean, during the elections, I had no conception of it. And then people were like, हाँ ये तो रोज मतलब 2-3 घंटे में ऐसे ही होता है. And then like everybody was just stunned silence. Like, so उसके पहले they were like, oh न्याय चाहिए, what you saw in the trailer. They started the flag march, and then everybody was just like just watching each other and silent. And it was genuinely, their presence was a little terrifying. Again, we did nothing. Like, we were just there to cover. I think they were also doing nothing. They were just campaigning. But I don't know, like it felt weird. Also, we got stopped, I think, at least 5 times to check our car. And then they were poking Satvik's rucksack all the time. And then I was being like friendly. I offered a lift to someone. I thought they wanted a lift for some reason. So these 3 army men stopped us. Army matlab CRPF people. And I told Satvik, हाँ शायद उनको lift चाहिए होगा. First time they stopped us, and then we stopped, and then they came and they're like, "Chalo dicky kholo," and I was like, "Oh, okay." So I opened the dicky, and then they checked everything. मतलब like बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं, but I was like, "स्माइल अरे क्या हो रहा है ऐसे? न हम तो सिक्किम से आ रहा है या whatever," and they're like, "अरे वो इलेक्शन चल रहा है ना, तो चेकिंग करना था, आपकी दिल्ली वाली नंबर प्लेट है." I'm like, "Oh shit." And then they were like, so I said, oh, sorry, मुझे लगा आपको lift चाहिए था. And then they laughed and let us go. So, but we were stopped 5 times. There were barricades all the time. They were checking everything. Weird police presence. Guys, another very interesting thing. I think I spoke to Medusa about this. Because people speak Nepali there, right? Like, I mean, even in Siliguri and all these areas, Bagdogra and above, till Sikkim, वहाँ पे जो campaign हो रहा है ना, it is inspired by Balin Shah. Like, they are all following the developments happening in Nepal and getting like ultra inspired by him. And like, he's a rapper, so there are like now politicians doing rap songs and like doing like Instagram reels, very good Instagram reels actually. I was like, bro, क्या innovation है ये लोगों में? And then I realized कि they're actually copying the Balin Shah model of campaigning and applying it here. I was like, fascinating, because, and that is what language does, right?
Yeah.
Which is like, it is, the borders don't matter because everybody's watching each other's content in Nepali and then like reacting to it. Also, this whole thing, this whole Gen Z protest in Nepal and all the things जो गोदी मीडिया ने उठाया था ना तब, गोरखालैंड जाको देखो अभी. Seriously, गोरखालैंड जाके देखो एक बार, कोई नहीं जाता उधर. There is such anger, crazy anger वहाँ पे against all establishment, basically, including TMC, including BJP. And that is why we also went to that area, because we got an inkling and we heard from sources that there is a very high chance that some very surprise wins might come from there. And we found 2 of them actually. So we don't know if they will win, but here's the thing. We went to Kurseong and all these places, and we were going to chai shops, and we were asking, who are your candidates? That's the only question. If the independent candidate's name came in that list, half the battle is done, right? Which is like, random people are taking names of like a Bandara Rai or like someone else, Sumendra Tamang, which are all independent candidates. And what is more interesting is that their name came first. And then the party people. And someone is like, ये BJP से कौन है रे? वो पता नहीं कौन है वहाँ पे. Someone will like, वो TMC से, हाँ मतलब है. नहीं, बंदना राय पता है हमको. And we asked around, right? So that's why we went there. We were following all these candidates. Who knows? 4 तारीख को पता चलेगा. I'm just going to follow them. I don't give a shit about any of these political party candidates anymore. Fuck them. I'm going to just follow independents. Hello, sorry, quick interruption because I wanted to tell you certain things. First thing, this is not the full episode of Descent Ki Dukaan, and you can become a member and see the entire episode that was like 2.5 hours long and has a lot more than what you just saw or what you're already watching. The second thing I wanted to tell you is about this. This is, my friends, the Citizen Magnard Journal. If you are someone who is despondent, if you are a citizen who is feeling like, oh my god, I am so powerless, I can't do anything about anything, and even if you want to, you don't know how. Well, you need to get this, because this is like a to-do list for citizens to do shit. Yes, I give you tasks every week, which will make you a better citizen. It will help you understand constitution, democracy, parliament. It will also tell you how to find your MLA, MP, how to file RTIs, how to deal with bureaucracy, how to deal with annoying relatives who are not agreeing with you ideologically, all of those things. Get it. It is on bunchofmerch.com. And if you get it, then there is another bonus thing that happens, which is you become a part of the You Are Not Alone club, because you will not be doing this alone. You will be doing this with many other people who are doing it simultaneously and writing about it and discussing it. So this Saturday, a Yana Club meeting is happening, which is You Are Not Alone Club, on Saturday at 6 p.m. It is on the 9th of May at 6 p.m. On Saturday. So if you are someone who is interested in becoming a citizen and not feeling helpless and hopeless, please get this. Or you can just register and watch other people while they do things. Yes, the club is open. You just have to register and you can come in. And by the way, this week we have a special guest joining us, and it is Vimo. And now back to the show. Medusa has put up an excellent video on her
Yes,
YouTube
please
channel.
watch it. Very well written.
Please watch it. It is. Medusa, do you want to tell people?
It's on the Great Nicobar project. The Great Nicobar project, I'm sure you guys know, it is extremely expensive, 80,000 crore rupees. In fact, now it's 92,000 crore rupees. Insane amount of money is being pumped into the Great Nicobar Island, the areas. There is a very small, particularly vulnerable tribal group who lives there. It's called the Shompen. The Shompen are literally 300 to 400 people. That's all. That's the number of the tribe. So, so they're there. It's their land. It's their river. It's their forest. It's their trees. It's their animals. All of that is going to go into the drains, down the drains. It's going to be. It is going to create ecological havoc. This entire project, that the project is So it has been going on for almost a year. There's a sinister sequence of events which have happened, including passing National Green Tribunal वाले जो वो projects वो होते हैं ना, जो उनको लेना पड़ता है ना, क्या कहते हैं उसको,
approval लेना पड़ता है.
Clearance लेनी पड़ती है. Those clearance have been given, like major clearances have been given in 6 days. 6 days में आप report submit कर रहे हैं कि वहाँ के जो ecological वो है, जो छोटी छोटी मछलियां हैं या फिर turtles है, उनको क्या effect होगा. आप 6 दिन में बता दे रहे हो कि क्या हो रहा है, something which takes years and years of study.
Yes.
You are passing those things in 6 days. All of these things have happened. Please go ahead and I have linked the articles of people who have actually done the investigative work, which is the Wire and Article 14 and Survival International. So, unke articles मैंने उसमें लिख रखे हैं.
And that writer you had, what's her name?
Spriha.
Huh?
Her handle is Talking Spree on
Talking Spree.
Instagram, but her name is Spriha, and she has absolutely done excellent.
You know,
research
one of
on
the things I wanted to say, Spriha, I think, is the one who also like has made a pamphlet and keeps distributing it about the Great Nicobar Island, and I think that's who you're talking about, because I think I have met her also, and she has been relentless.
She is relentless.
And you know, the thing is that it's so heartwarming to see that someone cares about 300 and 400 people, which literally are like an isolated tribe. But your video, no, Medusa, the reason why I really liked it is because it is such a great commentary on the concept of development, right?
Yes.
And also how this one tribe, which has literally no concept of ownership.
Yeah.
Like, मतलब उनके दुनिया में there is no ownership of the forest. It's just there. It is ours. It is everybody's. It is this communities. It is this villages. And comes these outsiders who are like literally planting a flag almost and saying, okay, now this is ours. And they're like, wait, but what do you mean it's ours? That doesn't make any sense. There's no
Also they
concept of it.
probably if they would have planted a flag and said this is ours, the tribe would have been like, yeah, you're welcome, you please come, you do whatever, yeah, jaisa hum karte hain वैसा करो. But you are not doing that. You want to change their entire lives, you want to upend their lives, you want to create concrete ka roads in areas where they walk barefoot on land and they have a connection with the zameen, with the earth. And the same thing happened to the Jarwa community in the 1990s.
Yes.
Same thing happened. A community which had not heard of a thing called sexual harassment and sexual abuse cases shot up because they would be paraded. ऐसे सफारी चलती थी, जंगल सफारी नहीं होता है, जंगल सफारी चलती थी वैसे बसें चलती है एंड साइड में आपकी जारवा कम्युनिटी के लोग रहते हैं एंड यू एज एन mainlander you ogle at these human beings and and that was something which was propagated by the government. And again, like, if you guys remember, at that point of time, it was not the BJP government. So it's a state versus
कोई फर्क नहीं
people.
पड़ता है.
Yeah, it's a state versus people thing. The state works like this. The state wants to.
Yeah.
It's so frustrating when there are these, and then the Jarwa communities, population reduced to less than 5%. Now they have reduced from एक समय में जब वो 1500 हुआ करते थे, now they're like 200 people.
200 people. Yeah,
150
lesser than
people,
that, I
200
think.
people.
There was a
इन लोगों
question
को
in parliament
common
which
cold,
was...
they died of common cold,
Yeah,
man, because they were so isolated that these viruses have not reached them and that they died of common cold.
Horrible. But on that note...
And again, this is exactly what is going to happen to the Nicobarese people. If again होगा भी, क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ हल्ला कर रहे हैं, वहां पर काम चल रहा है. They are making these shipyards. You know what they want this 130 square kilometers of land for? To make container yards.
We are colonizers.
containers.
For that
For
tribe, we are
Adani.
colonizers.
Yeah, to make containers for
Yeah.
whom? For Adani.
Yeah. Huh.
I actually wrote a post today, like it's on Patreon members only, not members first. 2 दिन बाद publish होगा Substack वगैरह पे. उसमें मैंने लिखा था कि we are looking at the mainstreaming of gambling, right? ये जो Poly Market and Kalshi and even हमारा जो Instagram के माध्यम से so called online gaming वगैरह हो रहा है. I think the reason behind it is that in a world where no rules make sense and nothing works the way it is going to, and it all seems like you know, luck के basis पे हो रहा है, people are like, फिर luck में invest कर लेता हूँ. So there is nothing else to rely on except pure blind luck, and that is why gambling is increasing. Because क्या होगा, पढ़ाई करूंगा नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी, नौकरी AI लेगा. AI सीखूंगा, AI सही जवाब नहीं देगा. वोट दूंगा, जिसको वोट दिया वो इलेक्शन नहीं जीतेगा, और जो जीतेगा वो किसी को उसको कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करता था और वो 10 साल पावर में रहेगा और फिर वो ऐसी पॉलिसीज लाएगा जो लोगों के इंटरेस्ट के खिलाफ होगी. और मैं लोगों से बोलूंगा ये तुम्हारे इंटरेस्ट के खिलाफ नहीं है, और लोग बोलेंगे मेरे बच्चे मर जाएंगे, मैं तब भी इसी को
तू
वोट दूंगा.
एंटी नेशनल है.
Because nothing works. Like reality itself has broken down. That is why gambling is increasing.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, sorry, just related to what Vimo is saying, and I'm going to do a smooth transition into how the world is going insane, because I think it's related. एक तो सब luck पे based है, but also we are being run by literal idiots, okay? मैं एक बहुत ही exclusive मुझे खबर मिली, okay, today. Someone leaked this to me. So, you guys know, right, ki how the government is trying to shut down creators with IT rules and all that nonsense. And we have been doing videos, all of us, I think, did videos on it and basically said WTF. So, there is this amazing, organization called the IAMAI. Okay. So it's like this, like a sort of a union of all these broadcasters and all these, like Godi Media types and all the big people and whatever. So they represent them for regulations and all, those industry bodies type, CII and FICCI type. So this IAMAI people send a email to all their members saying, with the National Creator Economy Bill 2026 recently passed by Rajya Sabha, the digital landscape in India is facing its most significant regulatory shift till date. Okay. And then they are doing a webinar at 3 o'clock to explain to members how this bill affects everyone. Right. And then they're like, oh, speaker aa raha hai, Bharat Gupta, whatever. You know what the funny thing is?
There is no such.
No such bill exists.
Yeah.
And then they also sent a presentation with it.
Oh my God,
Where
does it mean that it's coming? Oh, what the
Dude,
hell?
no, it's worse, Medusa. Because they
AI.
sent a presentation which is clearly made by AI, which shows April 14, 2026, Rajya Sabha passage of this bill, and there is a golden window to affect regulation before the presidential assent. And I'm like, A, why was it only passed in Rajya Sabha? B, Rajya Sabha to stage section mein bhi nahi hai. C, what the hell is this bill? But guys, AI created some bullshit.
And
Or they created some
IAMAI,
bullshit
yeah.
using AI, started believing it into thinking that there is an actual digital creator economy bill that was passed and is being sent to the president's assent and sent it to all their members. I'm like, what is
Guys,
happening?
IAMAI spells out I am
I'm
AI.
Oh.
You think it's become sentient? No.
Oh my God, but no. Okay, do not joke about these things to me. I absolutely 100% believe that is going to happen.
It's not. Trust me. I've looked into this. It's not going to happen at least for 40, 50 years. We are not even close to it.
Because the kind of AI we have made, that is also very shit.
No, we have not made AI. This is machine learning that is being called AI, but tech company CEOs so that they can have a bigger share value. ये AI नहीं है या इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला. इससे यही होने वाला है कि लोगों की नौकरियां जाएंगी क्योंकि इन CEOs को अपनी पॉकेट भरनी है. That is the scam. Nothing else is happening here.
That's very true.
Somebody actually asked an interesting question also. Jatin asked, how is just being happy, as Vimo said, different from being apolitical? Because being happy itself is political right now.
Yes.
People say, na, you
100%.
express your politics through your art. Right now, at a time where everything is being dehumanized, where people are saying कि art खत्म हो गया क्योंकि AI आ गया, simply drawing, simply singing in your own voice, simply making something like Medusa made a table with your body is itself a political statement. It's not apolitical. It's deeply political right now.
Very interesting what you said, because I feel like the definition of dissent for us needs to change because this is season 2, right?
Yeah.
Of Dissent Ki Dukaan. I feel like if we are happy, we are dissenting.
Yeah.
If we are being kind, we are dissenting. If we are thinking critically about things, we are dissenting. If we are not following the news, we are dissenting. I feel like, the thing is that people usually imagine dissent as something which is like revolution, fight against. No, the authority is the one doing that now. The authority is like, revolution, tumhare khilaf. Right? So they are the ones who are unleashing violence on people. They are the ones who are like, don't give a shit about your laws, don't give a shit about institutions, don't care anymore. So in an insane world, Vimosical to hona padega, but also I think the definition of dissent has to change.
In all seriousness, don't call it whimsical, please. Whimsical is a good enough
Now
word.
I'm going to say
It's a
it
good word,
again and
yes.
again. Like being spiritual. But Anu is saying, tell Vimo I loved his religion came from art analogy.
Thank you. Religion came from art, and the artists were the people who created religion. Modern people who blame artists for insulting the religions are insulting the people who they should be worshipping.
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
100%.
Got it.
When you look at all the tangible aspects of religion, like forget the philosophical speculation about where God is, apparently outside the universe. You look at every tangible aspect of it. It's music, architecture, sculpture,
Picture also,
songs,
drawing also,
literature.
drawing.
Yeah, drawings, art. It's all just art.
Yeah.
So whenever people go on a pilgrimage, what they're doing is tourism with the intention of looking at art. You say it this way, they get insulted. But it's actually a very, it's very. When my theory is that when art gets corrupted, it becomes religion.
Ooh. Oh, like the organized form of it, right?
Yes.
Organized.
Because
Not
if
like-
people
not
were to
fake.
see it as art, there would be no reason to fight.
Yes.
Interesting, actually.
Interesting.
Huh. Okay, that made me think.
Also like extremely beautiful works of art.
Hmm.
I think it evokes the same kind of response
Yes.
that like the same spiritual kind of
Devotion,
response, right? Emotions,
feelings
yeah,
of
yeah.
devotion.
Right, yeah, devotion kind of. Like if you listen to a very, very beautiful, like for example, there is this extremely beautiful song, Marathi song, Baiga Kasa Dana Dana Ajay Atul ka gana hai.
I've heard
I
I've heard this song.
recognize it.
Yeah.
I think I recognize it.
I have such an emotional visceral तो थोड़ा सा negative हो जाता है, but in such that can like the positive form of visceral reaction I have towards that song. It's so beautiful. It's like at one point of time I remember saying that if I'm dying tomorrow and if there is one last thing that I want to hear, like last song that I can hear, this is the song that I would want to listen. It's so beautiful for me. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मुझे बहुत. So that's the thing, like for the extremely beautiful emotions, art मुझे लगता है उसी तरीके के emotion.
Have you heard Bhimsen Joshi's माझे माहेर पंढरी?
Yes,
Oh my,
absolutely.
dude,
Yes.
goosebumps every time I hear it.
Absolutely,
Okay.
because I'm trained in Hindustani classical. No, तो भीमसेन जोशी तो हम लोग बचपन से सुनते बड़े हुए हैं. तो I heard that it's beautiful.
Why do I keep learning new things about you like this, Medusa? It's so
That's because
bizarre.
when she's talking, you're snoring. What is the one group that they all feel danger from? That they all
Intellectuals.
constantly berate the ones they call dangerous and anti whatever they stand for.
Revolutionaries? People who... Communists?
Dissenters.
It's just art, actually.
Oh.
It's just art. It's art, artists, humanities people, scholars, intellectuals,
I said
historians.
intellectuals. I said
जो भी
intellectuals.
बच्चे आर्ट्स पढ़े थे, that's it. And who are the people who are supporting them constantly? Software bros and tech bros.
Yeah.
ये मेरा
Why
सबसे
though?
पुराना
Like,
thesis है.
explain why though?
Because जब सरकार को सवाल उठते हैं ना, जब opposition आता है towards those who are powerful, it doesn't happen in an engineering college. It happens in a, humanities education. It happens in JNU and Jamia.
Yeah.
पूरा सोसाइटी हमारा सालों से अरे आज पढ़ के क्या होगा, इंजीनियर बनो. एंड दिस इज दी क्या इंडियन अपर कास्ट मिडिल क्लास सोसाइटी. They don't send their children into humanities. So humanities has a dual reputation of either being losers or incredibly privileged. Right? The rich go into arts and the stupid go into arts. And ये reputation इसलिए बनाया गया so that everyone would stay away from arts, go into engineering and become docile followers of the kind of politics that you're mentioning.
Yes.
Interesting. So basically...
This is also why we must make art.
Yes.
Yes.
Because also there's also this one this angle, and of course the angle that when you are in the absolute depths of your despair, when there is nothing, when you yourself as an individual are going down the drain, where the society is going down the drain, what do you turn towards? You turn towards art. You turn
Yes.
towards music. You turn
The
towards
one thing that
poetry.
can save us,
Yes.
they don't want you to have. Art is power. It is so incredibly powerful that when someone gets rejected by art, they become a Hitler.